Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our June BOXYCHARM by IPSY. For those of you who are not familiar with this service right here, I will leave all the information down below so that you can check it out for yourself, okay? There is a link that will lead you right there and it would help you save on your first box. Now, this one, as I stated, is for the month of June, and it does include our Beauty Boost item. So when we open it up, the very first thing we see is our little pamphlet from BOXYCHARM, which states, sunny days ahead. All right, and it says June 2024. Start your summer off bright with colors that pop, hydration heroes that keep you glowing, and so much more. Okay, and it's giving us some information on how to get the most out of the products that we have, what's best for the summer, and it also gives us some, well, it lets us know a couple items to add to your cart that they may feel is helpful for you, okay? And a sneak peek at the lineup for the month of July. Fenty has a fragrance coming out. How about that? Okay. And it also talks about UV Defense sunscreen, some eye cream, Ciate London, and on and on. And it lets us know that the Mega Drop Shop is also on the way. And it will start effective on, oh wow, July the 15th. So just keep checking back and then save your coins for something that you may like to get. All right. Then I'm gathering this is one of my products in here because there is a little information packet about the J.Lo Glow Serum. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in and see what this month's box has to offer. Okay, so, and just like I said, there is a J.Lo serum product. Okay, can we just appreciate this packaging right here? This is gorgeous. All right, this is the J.Lo Glow Serum, okay, and it says it visibly brightens and firms the skin. A small amount goes a long way. Okay, the packaging is gorgeous. This is a, okay, so you know I had to check it out to see what the expiration date or shelf life is. Okay, it has a 24-month shelf life. This is a 1 fluid ounce product. Okay, and I'm really not ready to open it yet because y'all know I have a lot of products and I do have things that are currently open and I want to get the most out of it. So I don't want to necessarily try it out right now. Okay, not right now anyway. Okay, but this is our first item and the manufacturer suggested, how about I put it on this side? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $79. Okay, this item was chosen for me by BOXYCHARM. Okay, then the next item that I have is by Grown Alchemist. All right, and this is the polishing facial exfoliant. Okay, I'm here for that. Definitely here for that. Okay, I am a fan of their products, very much so. Okay, so this one is a 2.53 fluid ounce size. Okay, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, I am not seeing the price on this one, but I will find it and I will make sure that I do at least put it across the bottom of the screen. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Then item number 3, we have is by the Lifestyle Company, and this is a fragrance, okay? And it says it's called Align, okay? And this one has a 24-month shelf life as well. The print is extremely small on this one, so I can't even tell you what the notes on this one may be. But this is what the outside packaging looks like, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, this says it is a travel size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $40. So, you know we got to smell it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and spray. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Maybe. Okay, I'm not sure what this is mixing with. Okay, I can deal with this one. I have to wait till it dries down so I can really smell it and see. Okay, so by the time we get to the end, I will let you know. How about that? All right. So that one is item number 3. We're going to keep right on going. The next one we have is by Feel, and this is the Refinishing Night Serum. And this is a lactic acid and squalene product. All right, and this is what it looks like right here. Okay, it is a 1 fluid ounce size, and these active ingredients here are known for the lactic acid. Let's start there. That one evens the texture of the skin, and it also reduces blemishes. Then the squalene is designed to reduce wrinkles and increase skin elasticity. All right, this one is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and this one, it says to apply it at night as your final step in your skincare routine. Okay, not bad, not bad. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is, okay, $58. $58, y'all. Okay, so look, I'll pay $58 for claims, you know, like that. Well, actually, for those active ingredients. Okay, so that one is item number 4. Item number 5 is Lunar Magic, and this is a blurring primer, and this is by REM, R-E-M Beauty. This one is a 1 fluid ounce size. 1 fluid ounce size. Okay, and it says that this one sorry, seem to have a little bit of a frog in my throat. All right, it says smooth a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin and allow to completely set before makeup application. Okay, sidebar. I have this primer that I'm using right now. This stuff is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Very lightweight. I was out in almost 90-degree weather, and I could feel sweat or perspiration, okay? But my makeup did not run, and it still looked flawless. I still dabbed a little powder over the top because my nose was just a little shiny, but other than that, it was amazing. If you want to know about that product, let me know in the comment section down below. But anyway, okay, so back to the box. All right, so this one, as I stated, has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, how about that? Okay, now, is that it in this box? No, it is not. The next item that we have, I have to tell you, this particular company, I am such a fan of, and that is Pink Lips Cosmetics. Oh, love their products. This is a lip gloss duo. Okay, and the shades that we have are a Glow and Star, and each of them 3.5 milliliters. Okay, and as I stated, it is two of them in here. All right, this one is a vegan and cruelty-free product. It is paraben-free, and it says, girls, be your own star. Okay, I'm here for it. And this also says it has 12-month shelf life as well. Okay, so let's just take a look at their inside packaging. Okay, here we go. I'm here for it. I definitely am here for it. Okay, like I said, I enjoy their products. They just do exactly what they say they're going to do. But we'll swatch these in the end, okay? These have a little bit of a tint to it. And right now, I only have a clear gloss. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for this duo right here is $20. Extremely affordable, extremely affordable, but they do what they say they're gonna do. And this one says that it is long wearing. Okay, long wearing. So if it says it's long wearing, I'm believing it. Okay, and this is actually the last item, but not including our Beauty Boost. Okay, now I did get to choose the Beauty Boost product this month, and let me tell you, I chose the Purify Live Life Pure Mini Hair Straightener. Okay, and it's this one right here. And I needed a travel flat iron. That's my challenge. I needed a flat iron. Okay, I've been checking out some products. I needed some assistance with my hair in the front. Okay, just up here. To me, it was a little thin. The rest of my hair is super, super thick. But right here at the top, it just seemed a little thin to me. So I have something that, you know, is wonderful. And I'm going to be sharing it with you very, very soon. I'm still working on the amount of time that they say you need to see any results. But I'm just going to tell you, I've already seen results. Okay, so here is the actual flat iron itself. And let's see. I thought that it came with a, no, it does not. I thought that it actually came with a heat rag, but that's okay because I have one anyway. But it says the mini hair straightener features 100% solid ceramic plates, which are gentle on hair, allowing for versatile styling on the go. Okay, and it locks in moisture and softens hair and adds instant shine. Okay, so wearing my hair natural, but some days I do what I have to do to straighten it as well. So I do have this one for when we are on the go. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $49.99, $50. Okay, so how about the fact that I did not receive cosmetics this month? How about that? Not mad, because I do have a nice amount. Okay, so what we're going to do, even though it is a set of two, it's a duo, we're just going to try out one of them just so I can show you what the texture of it is like. And I want to tell you, I shared my little hack that I use to ensure that my lip glosses maintain their actual color without me contaminating it with the others, besides using an actual lip brush. But we're going to go ahead and try this one on. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. And this one looks like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it as well. I'm here for this. And it smells amazing. Okay, so I guess if I put on an extra coat, okay, it's not sticky. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells really good. Okay, so before I put the wand back inside, I'm gonna have to wipe off the applicator, okay, because I do not want my lip gloss to be contaminated. Okay, so that's that. Now let me ask you, did we receive the same thing? Did you get what I got? This is smelling really good, y'all. It's smelling really, really good. But anyway, so did we receive the same items? If not, what did you get? Let me know down below, okay? If you do not subscribe to BOXYCHARM, is this BOXYCHARM by IPSY? Is this something that you think you might like to? Just asking, okay? Let me know down below, okay? So the only thing we had to swatch really was the lip gloss, okay? Now, as you saw when I tried it on, it feels amazing. It smells amazing. It's not sticky. And I definitely like this one. Can add, you know, to the glossiness by putting on more and more. And it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, which I like. Okay, so I just want to tell you, thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our June BOXYCHARM by IPSY. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. The other thing I want to tell you, how about you share it with someone who you think might like it as well, okay? I'm open for your comments. Let me know down below. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. I'm working on this responding thing to the comments in the comment section, okay? So I'm working on it. Trust me when I tell you, okay? Now, most importantly for me, from me to you, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.